Hello everyone, this is me Priyanka, and in this video I'll be talking about how to upload your iOS app in the App Store in the year 2021. Since 2-3 years there have been some major changes in uploading your app to the App Store. It has been much more easier. So compared to Android, submitting your app to the Play Store is not the same how it works in App Store. It is quite different, but it's not as complicated as it seems either, especially after the recent changes that Apple have made in the uploading process. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm starting off with opening my project. It's in Xcode version 12.3, and once you open the project, this is the screen that you'll need. Here you'll see your Apple ID, but before that, just want to make sure that you are enrolled in the Apple Developer Program. You can see under the preference in account, you'll see your Apple ID. So if you don't see it there, you can just add your Apple ID and make sure to enroll in the developer account. So here you'll see that you can automatically sign in. So this part is quite new. Earlier we had to manage all the certificate, but now Apple does it for us. So the first thing that I do is just clean and build my project. After I test all the functionalities, all the features, I make sure to properly clean and build, and then I archive. So when you do this, you'll see a number of simulators, but if you select those, it won't work. You have to select either your real device or any device. So once you do that, you just archive your project, and it may take some time depending on the size of the project. And it would bring up a organizer screen. So from this screen, you can just click on the distribute app. Here you can either send ad hoc so that you can install the app in designated device, or for now I'll just select Appstore Connect because I want this to get uploaded in the App Store. So even before this screen, you should have got some options. Keep selecting the default option and press next. So before you upload it to the App Store, we still need to have some work to do on the Appstore Connect and the developer portal. So this is all the steps that you need to do in Xcode. Now let's move to the other screen. So in the developer portal, you just need to log in and you'd be able to see this screen. Here you'll see the membership, and you can directly go to Appstore Connect. For now, just select certificate, identify, and profiles. Here you'll see profile keys, the registered devices. So first we need to generate one identifier. So for that, you can just click the plus sign to add new identifier. This would take you to the registration screen. Just select Apple ID and continue. Here you can just select app or app clip if you have app clip enabled. Just write the name of your app in the description, and you can add your bundle ID here. So you would notice that bundle ID is a unique string that we have in our Xcode. So you can just copy it from here and paste it. So by doing this, you'll have your identifier registered. Now let's go to the Appstore Connect. In the Appstore Connect, you can easily upload, submit, and manage your apps. Here you can view your sales report, access app analytics, and invite user to test your app. For now, I'll just create a new app. So I select the platform iOS and give the name of my test app, deploy app test. Now here you can select any primary language, and this is the bundle ID that I just created in the developer account. So SQ is just a unique ID. It's for internal purpose only, so you don't need to think much because it's not public information. So I'll just write my app name. It should be in this format. The user access is also something that's internal. So for a company which have a large number of people who are using the Appstore Connect, they may want to provide access. For now, I'll just select full access and create the app. So once I create app, this is the screen that will show up first. Here you'll need to provide the screenshots. The sites should be very specific of what Apple have asked for. and then you should provide all the promotional text, keyword. These are the basic information about the app that you want to show in the App Store. So this is the pricing and availability section. If your app is free of cost, you can just select free. And this is the app privacy. So your app must have a privacy URL, and under the TestFlight you'll be able to see all the tester. If you want to have some external tester, then you need to have at least one build that's approved. So you can just create a group for your external tester. You can give it a group name, and you just need to add new tester by providing the email address, and you can add their first name and last name. So you can do this for up to 10,000 testers, external testers, and for internal it's limited to 100. So this is how you can send your app for testing without even uploading to the App Store. So after all this is done, if you want to submit the app to the App Store, you just need to go back to this screen and fill up all the details, and then hit the submit for review button. I hope that it was helpful. So if you have any confusions or questions, then please feel free to drop in the comment box below.